Hello, this video will cover how to add custom fields to your store. Custom fields are managed under Site Administration and then by clicking on Custom Fields. And what custom fields are, they are the ability to collect additional data either at the user registration level, on the shipping, and or the billing page. Here we see I have an event date that is associated to the account. We can edit that and see what is listed. So I have an event date. Uh, Code can be ignored, it's not required. Instructions are simply to give the user some indication of what you need for, in this case, event date. You can also format these instruction fields. If I wanted to make this bold and maybe make the text red, I can do that. Below that is type. You can have a simple text field, a drop-down list of values, a radio button type, or a checkbox, and then a date type. If you're using drop-down, radio, or checkbox, you would need to put values in this field here. So let's say I was going to do a drop down. Actually, we'll cancel this one. We'll go create a new field. So I'm going to hit add custom field. I'm going to give it a name. Let's say it's cost center. And this is going to be used on the billing page. And so please enter your cost center. All right, let me spell that correctly. And I'll make this bold. And then I'm going to make this a drop down. And so this I can create a list of drop down values that the user would have to choose from. Next, I can indicate what the location is. It defaults to account, but in this case for cost center, I want to collect this on the payment or billing page. You also have the option to do a shipping page. And then attributes can be hidden or required. Hidden would be used maybe for only having one value. It gets collected, but the user never knows that it's associated to the order. In this case, I'll make it required and hit save. So now I have a drop-down type on the billing page. If I want to add one to the custom for the shipping page, I can say, you know, shipping name, for instance, and maybe this is enter the attention to name. And then I can say this is just a text field. It's going to be collected on the shipping page and it is required. Again, if it is required, the user cannot proceed until they've filled in this information. You can leave it unchecked and then they can bypass that field without having to do anything. But ultimately I hit save. And I can have as many of these fields on these pages as I want. So if I want to have multiple fields on the shipping, the billing, or the account page, you can do that.